Hello, today I'm going to show you a beautiful man watch. Usually it's come in a box, beautiful box, gift box. Come with guest instruction, sometimes with the warranty, 10-year warranty, or the little paper showing you how to register your watch for warranty. About the watch, leather strap, has guest logo in it, Janet leather. And this is the screw down watch, so you cannot pull, you have to unscrew it. The face, including the case, is 46. It's beautiful design, guess, with date and date in it, 24-hour designs as well. It's quite beautiful. That's how it looks on the wrist. My wrist might be a little bit small, but you have my idea. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.